Welcome to Snacks Weekly on Data Science. This podcast is all about making data science and machine learning knowledge accessible and less intimidating. Today, we are going to talk about how to speed up experimentation. This episode is based on a tech blog titled Interleaving for Accelerated Testing, published by the data science team at Expedia Group. Throughout this episode, we will explore this topic from both the business and technical angles. Now, let's dive in. On the business side, let's take a look at the problem to be solved. Expedia operates a large global travel marketplace where users search for hotels, vacation rentals, and travel stays around the world. With billions of dollars in annual revenue and intense competition across the travel industry, every search results page matters. If the ranking feels irrelevant, confusing, or too slow, then users can leave quickly and book elsewhere. That makes ranking quality a direct business lever. Better ranking can improve click, bookings, and overall marketplace efficiency. But to make this happen, there is one important challenge when trying to improve ranking performance: the experimentation speed. Teams working on ranking systems constantly generate ideas, new machine learning models, better features, improved personalization, different blending logic, etc. The issue here is not a lack of ideas, but to figure out which ideas are actually worth shipping. One naive solution would be to do A/B testing everything, but that would break down quickly. A/B tests are expensive in terms of needing the user traffic and time to waiting for it to complete. In the travel industry, bookings are relatively infrequent compared with searches and clicks. So detecting small but meaningful improvements can take a long time. While an experiment is running, the teams have to wait, and only a limited number of experiments can run cleanly at one time. So the business problem here is clear. How do you evaluate many ranking candidates quickly while reserving precious A/B testing capability for the ideas most likely to win? Now that we've understood the business problem to solve, let's shift gear and dive into the technical side to see how the team tackled this challenge. The key idea in this tech blog has two parts. The first part is that the team used interleaving as a faster way to compare ranking systems. The second part is that they fit the interleaving technique into their broader experimentation pipeline. Let's start with the interleaving method itself. Suppose the company wants to compare two ranking models, ranker A and ranker B. In a traditional A/B test setting, one group of users would see results from ranker A, while another group of users would see results from ranker B. The company would then wait for enough traffic for compare outcomes, such as clicks or bookings, and then reading out the results. Interleaving uses a different mechanism here. For a single search request, both of the rankers independently generate their own ordered lists of hotels or properties. Those two lists are then combined into one blended results page using a fair mixing strategy. The user sees only one search result page, but the page contains contributions from both rankers. The advantage of this approach is that both rankers are evaluated inside the exact same search session. That means they face identical conditions, the same user intent, same destination, travel dates, inventory availability, and timing. Everything is the same, except which ranker contributes each result. This is an important difference because it removes a lot of noise. In a normal A/B test setting, differences between user groups can hide small ranking improvements. With interleaving approach, both models are compared under the same context, making subtle differences easier to detect. And in practice, the method was reported to be significantly more sensitive than standard A/B testing. Next part of the interleaving approach comes attribution, which is a key component to make interleaving useful. If a user clicks a listing or completes a booking, the system needs to map the results back to which ranker contributes to this. If ranker A surfaced the selected property, A gets credit. If ranker B surfaced it, then B gets credit. Across many of the sessions, these outcomes are aggregated into win-lose tie comparisons. If A wins more often, it is likely the stronger ranker. If B wins more often, then B appears stronger. So that is how the two different rankers are compared here. As you can see, the interleaving gives the team a faster direction signal on which ranking candidate users prefer. Now we talked about the first part, how interleaving works. Let's talk about where this fits into the process design of the experimentation. The team in Expedia does not just use interleaving as a replacement for A/B testing. Instead, they use it as the middle stage in a 3-step evaluation funnel. The first stage comes backtesting, where potential model improvements are evaluated offline using historical data and metrics such as NDCG, etc. This is the cheapest layer, and it helps to eliminate clearly weak ideas early on. Then it comes to the second stage, which is the interleaving. The promising candidates from the backtesting approach are tested live against each other using this interleaving methodology we just discussed. This stage rapidly prunes weaker options and identifies the strongest contenders. Then it comes the third stage, where it is A/B testing. Only the top performing candidates from interleavings are promoted into running full experimentation to measure its broader business outcomes, such as bookings, revenues, and user behaviors at scale. This 3-layer design is powerful because each method is used for what it does best. Backtesting is cheap and broad. Interleaving is fast and sensitive for ranking comparisons. A/B testing, well, it is slower, but strongest for final business validation. Now we discussed both the business problem and the technical solution. Let's wrap it up. In this episode, we explored Expedia's needs to evaluate many ranking ideas quickly so that A/B testing itself would not become a bottleneck. We looked at their 3-stage experimentation funnel, backtesting to remove weak candidates, interleaving to rapidly compare promising ones, and A/B testing to validate the final business impact. What makes it effective was using the right evaluation tool at the right step instead of forcing any single approach to do everything. If you like the content of this episode, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a 5-star review and leave a comment. Your feedback is very appreciated, and I'll see you next week.